So 2021, imagine your container. What do you want to do with your container? There's so many options you have. I'm actually pulling up outside of the container conversion right now. I got to pick up a couple things real quick. Give you a little view. I'm actually got to come grab a couple things. But this year, it's all about building your independence. So if you're thinking about getting your independence with a shipping container, you're thinking about starting your business, starting your merch shop, whatever it is that you have that you're trying to build to gain your independence, that's what I want to help you with. Like, I think it's very valuable that we work together to build our independence. This is actually the welding booth area of mine, which is multi-purpose because I'm going to be doing a few different things in here. Idea. So it's pretty nice, man. It's pretty good layout. Like I said, I had to come in here and grab something real quick and just wanted to give you an idea of what we're doing. So there's so much you can do with a shipping container. So keep all your options open, man. Like, literally, this year it's all about independence. Don't think small. Think big. Think real big. And get your hog on. Check out the website, www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com. Imagine your container.